I just stumbled upon this tweet of Marcos Arut, who is a biotechnology researcher and also he is the CEO of Renova Code Therapeutics, and he is talking about revolutionizing longevity technologies in the world, or in simple words, how you can be immortal. And in this tweet, he has put in this graph where he says that everyone here present under the age of 60 will witness how humanity will reach Lev, no exceptions. They were born at the right time. Now, Lev is also the currency of Bulgaria, but that is not what he's talking about here. He is talking about longevity escape velocity. Longevity escape velocity is a theoretical concept in biogerontology that proposes a scenario where advancements in medical technology and interventions allow for extending human lifespan faster than the rate of aging. And this is a graph in another window. The idea behind LAV is to reach a point where each incremental increase in lifespan buys enough time for new medical breakthroughs to further extend life, leading to a potentially indefinite lifespan. The term longevity escape velocity was coined by a biomedical gerontologist, Dr. Aubrey de Grey, who is known for his research on aging and strategies to combat age related diseases. Now, even this term gerontologist is quite a tongue twister. So, let's see how this turns out. Anyway, according to D. Gray, achieving longevity escape velocity or LEV would involve continuously staying ahead of the aging process through rejuvenation therapies and interventions, ultimately leading to radical life extensions. Longevity escape velocity, a term which simply means that for every year that passes, average life expectancy goes up by more than 1 year. Meaning, for every year you live, people are expected to live more than one additional year, so you never die of old age or disease. Accidents only would be the cause. So, as long as you stay at home safe and sound, you should be okay. But not now. He says that it will happen. So, if you are age 60 or less, you are fine. Um, Now, this technology for the doomsayers, they say that this will never be available to anybody but the most wealthy and powerful people. The implications of significant proportions of population living indefinitely are horrifying. Because if people never die of old age, other mechanisms of either culling the population or forcibly limiting birth rates might be implemented. Who knows? I mean, I have really haven't thought about it seriously yet, and I'm not still not sure about this lab. But Marcos, well, who knows? So there are a lot of cynics out there. So some of the cynics say that it is, for that let's say that it wasn't going to happen, that our future would look more like Shadowrun than the culture. I think I still would predict that biological immortality with unlimited health span would be given away for like for a coin. This is because that once everyone becomes immortal or able to run a marathon into their 300s, our tasteless overlords can just completely give up on paying for the next generation. Anyway, so you might be thinking that what this has Lev has to do with AI. Well, in a sense, everything, because once AGI is here and everything is being done by drones and bots and LLMs and all those AI applications, what would we do? I mean, so I think we would just focus on living forever in a healthy, prosperous, happy life without any fear or anything anxiety. Is that possible? That is only possible with this left thing. And believe it or not, a lot of research is being happening right now. A lot of the big companies, top CEOs and others have already poured in billions into this research. So we might think that this is a joke or something. We just take it lightly, which we are actually. But these things are real. People are really putting in a lot of effort there, and many believe that this is not far away now. As soon as we have that AGI in 5 to 10 years, this lab is the next step. So I'm not sure, but well, look, most people alive under 60 might live forever. Who knows? I don't know. But if they don't die before Lev is reached, it's you can still die of anything else. But I think um, I'm not sure about this, but I think Lev will likely depend on your socioeconomic status too. I don't think so. This will be afford if it happens ever. This won't be available to everyone. So, do you have health insurance? Well, I'm not sure. This is not the ad for the health insurance at all. Anyway, whether or not immortality is a nice thing is hugely dependent on how old you are when you become immortal. If you're 90, do you really want to be immortal, or 80 or 70 even? So it depends. One misconception: Lev isn't de aging. That might come at some point too, but not dying aging backwards are two different things. So if you have to be 80-year-old for 50 years because you're able to de-age, odds are that you might be in a not in a good situation. But anyway, so with AI, with AGI and everything in there with Lev, well, you can see where we are going there. Anyway, so those are my sort of rambling and rants. Let me know, what do you think about this, Lev? Pretty exciting things are happening lately as soon as we have entered into this AI era. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps. Thanks for watching.